Looking for a memory card that can handle your 4K UHD videos, high-resolution photos, and intense gaming sessions without missing a beat? The Samsung MicroSD Evo delivers exactly that. Designed to keep up with your busiest devices, from Galaxy smartphones and drones to tablets and DSLR cameras, this card offers the speed and reliability you need to capture and store every moment flawlessly. What sets the Samsung MicroSD Evo apart is its ultra-fast read and write speeds, reaching up to 95 megabytes per second for reading and 20 megabytes per second for writing. That means less waiting and more doing, whether you're transferring large files or recording uninterrupted 4K footage. Thanks to its Speed Class U1 and Speed Class 10 rating, you get consistent performance that adapts seamlessly to your device's needs. Plus, it operates efficiently within a voltage range of 2.7 to 3.6 volts, ensuring stable power usage across various gadgets. Durability is no afterthought here. This memory card is shockproof, waterproof, temperature-proof, X-ray-proof, and magnetic-proof, built to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're out in the field capturing action shots or storing critical data in a controlled environment, you can trust this card to keep your files safe and accessible. It even comes with a full-size adapter, so you can easily switch between cameras, laptops, and desktop computers without hassle. One user summed it up perfectly. Their Samsung 32GB microSD card has quietly and reliably stored firmware for industrial controllers for over a year, never faltering. While it might not be the flashiest job, it highlights the card's steadfast dependability. That kind of consistent performance is exactly what you want when your data matters most. If you're looking for a memory card that balances speed, durability, and wide compatibility, the Samsung MicroSD Evo is worth a look. It's designed to keep your data safe and your devices running smoothly, no matter how demanding your use case is. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your storage and experience hassle-free performance you can count on.